Hi friends, what's up? This is Ernest Felix here. Today let me review a product which is already live. Affiliate Copy Bot. Most affiliate marketers struggle to make money online because they don't have a system in place or a sales funnel to make the customer experience more convenient and satisfying. Affiliate Copy Bot allows this to take place. With this program, affiliates are able to share DIY affiliate campaigns to social networks for free traffic and commissions using a proven automated software and system. The software suite also comes with the ultimate database of top-selling Clickbank niches, products and affiliate programs. And before I start the full review, let me go through the bonuses you will get from me once you decide to buy Affiliate Copy Bot by clicking the link below my YouTube video. Bonus number 1, you get a step-by-step guide to affiliate marketing. Bonus number 2, a step-by-step guide to Clickbank marketing. Bonus number 3, Fuego Multiplier. This will teach you how to get traffic to your link. Bonus number 4, a useful weapon. This is a tutorial on how to build a funnel and sell to an email list. You will also be eligible for 3 more vendor bonuses once you decide to click on this link and buy Affiliate Copy Bot. Now let me review Affiliate Copy Bot. I realized that Affiliate was launched last year by the name of CB Traffic. It was quite a successful launch and has re-emerged as Affiliate Copy Bot. It is mainly for Clickbank and Amazon affiliates, who can make good use of this bot. Affiliate Copy Bot makes it possible to use a platform and program that makes it fun and creative to be an affiliate marketer, knowing that the tools are available to get the most targeted traffic to an offer. The sales page demonstrates a sales video that provides an introduction to the proven system. Let us check the benefits. Some of the benefits of this affiliate marketing product, as the vendor indicates, are proven process, automated tools, nothing to download, allows affiliates to easily promote any offer and links to as many potential and targeted buyers in less time, done for you process. Many affiliates find it difficult to make commissions online. Many of them are struggling because they don't have the right tools or sales funnel. Affiliate Copy Bot claims that this is an automated process, potentially able to create consistent daily income. This review will show whether this can be proven or not. It will give you an inside look of what you should expect and if this will make you passive income. Checking out the pros and cons. The pros are proven systems so affiliates have tools to help them make commissions online. And noticeable disclaimer on the sales page. Introduction video of what should be expected from the program. Bonuses provided to complement the product, viral traffic, secrets, affiliate commission formula, and sales funnel optimization strategies. And the cons are a little too much hyped sales page. No testimonials provided. Name of producer is not on sales page. Next question, is Affiliate Copy Bot a scam? The simple answer is that it is not good to judge when you have not personally seen the whole product or used it. However, below is the longer answer. There are other automated systems that work, but not all of them have all the tools necessary to make it scalable and long-term. Once you try this, you are being told that you will receive DIY affiliate ad campaigns. You are given a sales process that is said to work and other affiliate marketing tools for success online. It may be satisfying to know that if the vendor does not keep the promises to claims made by using sales funnels to make more commissions online, then there is a 60-day guaranteed refund policy, which you will appreciate. It is up to you to give Affiliate Copy Bot a test run so you can see it for yourself, and if it does not work out, you should take the needed steps required and move. Coming to the price, the front end costs $17. If you require the complete version, the Affiliate Traffic DB, it will be another $37. There are no many upsells to confuse you. That is another thing I will consider as a pro. I will play a video after this, for you to understand better and then conclude the review.
You're just 4 clicks away from getting your affiliate link in front of 70 secret traffic pools. All you need to do is add your Clickbank nickname once, click 4 buttons, then plug your affiliate links into 70 viral traffic gold mines with over 1.7 billion buyers. So you can start earning 100% commissions from Clickbank with free buyer traffic in as little as 60 seconds. So, are you in? Okay, great. Now here's what this is all about. Hi, Rich here, and I'm a Clickbank super affiliate. That means I make daily commissions right now in 2021 with the world's biggest affiliate network, Clickbank. Now I'm sure you've heard of Clickbank. They paid out over $2 billion to affiliates like you. I should know that's how I'm generating daily sales on autopilot. In fact, thousands of marketers like me are making thousands of dollars promoting Clickbank offers today. That's right, people just like you are making commissions right now in 2021. Sounds great, right? But there's a problem. If you want to profit with Clickbank in 2021, you need to pick a profitable niche, choose from the right affiliate program, and then get free traffic fast. Now imagine having to do that for the 10,000 affiliate programs on Clickbank. Ugh! It's no wonder new affiliates don't have the time or the cash to make daily profits with Clickbank in 2021. Until now, that is. But what if there was a solution that could do everything for you? So that choosing a buyer niche was done for you. Finding profitable affiliate programs was done for you. And driving free buyer traffic was done for you. Even setting up your own software business paying you 100% was done for you. In fact, everything to make Clickbank commissions was done for you. Like you outsourced everything to one of the top Clickbank marketers on the planet. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Presenting the CB Traffic app, a new 4-click software app that's the world's first done-for-you affiliate traffic suite, with the affiliate marketing and free traffic both done for you in one cloud-based app. Even if you're brand new, don't have a list, and even if you don't have a website, you don't need one because everything from A to Z is done for you. CB Traffic app automates every aspect of profiting with Clickbank. This turnkey app is packed with 70 of the top converting offers from the world's biggest affiliate network, and you get to keep 100% of the commissions from every sale. In fact, all you need to create your affiliate campaign and start getting traffic is click 4 buttons. And no, you don't need to write a word of content, create videos, or even worry about traffic. It's all done for you and just 4 clicks away. Look at how easy it is with the brand new app. Step 1. Enter your Clickbank affiliate ID. First, log into the cloud-based software and enter your Clickbank affiliate IDs. That's click 1. And don't worry if you don't have a Clickbank account yet. It's free to join, and getting your ID takes just a few seconds. Step 2. Choose your affiliate campaign. Next, select your buyer niche. That's click 2. This loads up my list of profitable offers. Then choose the affiliate program you want to profit with. That's click 3. And that's it. Just like that, you've honed in on a $100 a day affiliate program. I know.
I hope you liked my review and affiliate copy bot. Please click on the link below to buy it from me. Get all my bonuses and the vendor bonuses too. Thanks for watching, and before I say bye to you, let me request you to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.